How to change your bio on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your bio on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points and after that click on your profile here and once you're here click on your bio and then type here any bio you want, delete it and type any bio you want, like and that's it. Then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.